Hey guys, today I'm going to show you to get Just Dance Now hacks. So as you can see, we got coins, God mode, all this stuff. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it onto your device. So let's get straight into the video. First things first, go to hexmods.com and type in Just Dance Now. And you should see the modded version with unlimited money and everything. Press the download button and then it will start to download. So now we're just going to wait for it to go ahead and download. So basically guys, before it downloads, you may see something come up telling you that you have to download some missing apps and like complete the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you got to download 2 of them. It does not matter which one, but I did merge gardens. You got to reach level 9. So you just press continue and it brings you to the store and you just got to download it and reach level 9, bro. So yeah, there are other ones though, like TikTok, down install use for 3 days, Cash Giraffe. But I mean, it's up to you what you do, guys. I don't want to hurt you and like tell you to do a certain one, then you get mad. Like you can do whichever one you want. But this is how to get the Just Dance Now hack. Unlimited coins. It's super cool. We got God mode, anti-ban, auto win. It's so insane. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but that's how to get the Just Dance Now modded version for your device. So tell your friends about it. It's super cool. Fully works on all devices. Just make sure you guys are doing 2 of these apps because it is super easy to do. And yeah, it fully works, guys. So I'm not trying to hurt you or anything. This is legit. And yeah, get the word out, bro. This is super cool. It's updated and it's time for you guys to try it. It's time, bro. Get the word out. This is so cool. It fully works, bro. It's insane. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If this tutorial works for you guys, I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, tell your friends about it. This is super cool. Peace out.